Today we are going to take a look at Taskade and see why some say it is the ultimate productivity tool. Work can often be complex. Taskade wants to simplify it. It offers a single, unified space for all your team's projects. This is its fundamental purpose, a central hub for productivity. Many teams use too many apps. This creates digital clutter everywhere. Important information gets lost easily. Communication becomes very fragmented. Taskade clearly sees this problem. It offers a straightforward solution. One place for almost everything to reduce the workplace chaos. Taskade's vision is quite clear. It aims to be an all-in-one platform. It skillfully combines notes. It capably manages tasks. It also includes team chat and even has video calls. No constant need to switch apps. Everything works together seamlessly. Why should you choose Taskade? It always starts with your why. Why does your team collaborate? Taskade then provides the how. Through its intuitive, unified workspace. This naturally fosters clarity. It significantly boosts team focus and helps you achieve your goals. Taskade has many useful features. Project views are a key element. The list view is simple and direct. The board view organizes visually. A mind map helps explore ideas. The calendar view tracks schedules. An org chart shows team structure. Choose the view that works best. Collaboration happens in real time. Chat is built directly into projects. Video calls are also available there. You can leave comments on tasks. All communication remains contextual. No urgent need for other tools. This keeps everyone on track, and all discussions stay focused. Templates will save your team time. Taskade offers a wide variety for many different kinds of projects. You can also create your own. This practice ensures true consistency. Customize your workflows very easily. Make Taskade fit your team's needs, not the other way around. Task management is clear and easy. Assign tasks to different team members. Set very clear, achievable deadlines. Track overall progress simply. Everyone knows their specific role. This system builds strong accountability. Projects continue to move forward. Important goals are reached efficiently. Taskade is remarkably easy to use. The user interface design is clean. It feels very natural and intuitive. New users can learn it very fast. There is no steep learning curve. Teams can start collaborating quickly. Productivity can come much sooner. Less time training, more time doing. Collaboration improves greatly with Taskade. All information is kept central. Everyone on the team sees the same thing. This significantly reduces any confusion. It helps to build transparency. A shared understanding readily grows. Teamwork begins to feel smoother. Projects stay perfectly aligned. Changes sync across devices in real time. When one person types or edits, others can see it happen instantly. This feature is vital for all teams, especially for those remote teams. Everyone always has current information. No more frustrating version confusion. All your work stays up to date. Communication is noticeably better. Chat and video are fully integrated. Discussions stay linked with tasks. This provides very clear context. Decisions can be made faster, and these decisions are recorded right within the project space. This makes any follow-up easy. Let's compare Taskade and others to find the right fit. How does Taskade truly compare? Think of tools like Asana or Trello. They often focus mainly on tasks. Taskade aims for a wider scope. It adds notes and chat features and video all in one place. It can feel more complete for work for some specific team workflows. Now consider Notion or ClickUp. These other tools are very powerful. They offer a lot of customization. Taskade often chooses simplicity first. Its user interface is much cleaner. It is often easier to start using, less overwhelming for many users. This is a very key difference. Taskade has some unique strengths. Multiple dynamic views for one project. You can seamlessly switch perspectives. It has built-in chat and video. This is extremely convenient for users. The free plan is very generous. You can try it fully before paying. This greatly reduces risk for teams. Are there any potential limitations? Perhaps for some very specific teams, those with highly specialized needs like needing complex Gantt charts or very deep advanced reporting. Taskade intentionally values simplicity over having absolutely every feature. This is its deliberate design choice. So, is Taskade a wise choice? Taskade is versatile for marketing, software development, startups, and remote teams. It offers strong free plans and valuable paid options. Taskade simplifies collaboration and boosts productivity. We believe Taskade is a wise choice. Use the link in the description to try it for yourself.